Dealing with persistent pet hair can be a daily struggle for pet owners. Traditional cleaning methods often fall short, leaving behind stubborn fur and dander. That's where the convenience of robot vacuum and mop combos comes into play. In this video, we'll explore 5 top picks that not only tackle pet hair, but also make cleaning a breeze. Stay tuned, as our #1 choice might just surprise you with its unbeatable features. Remember, links in the description will help you find the best prices. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is an excellent choice for pet owners looking for an efficient cleaning solution. This device combines powerful suction with mopping capabilities, ensuring that both pet hair and dirt are effectively removed from your floors. It features smart navigation, allowing it to maneuver around furniture and avoid obstacles, while its compact design makes it perfect for tight spaces. Users appreciate its convenience, especially for daily cleanups, but some have noted that its battery life may not be sufficient for larger homes. Overall, the Kilgone is a great entry-level option for those wanting to simplify their cleaning routine. Bissell FlexClean FurForce Robot Vacuum and Mop. For pet owners seeking a specialized cleaning tool, the Bissell FlexClean FurForce Robot Vacuum and Mop excels in tackling pet hair. This dual-function device not only vacuums but also mops, providing a comprehensive clean for hard floors. Equipped with strong suction and a tangle-free brush, it effectively picks up hair without getting clogged. The Bissell app allows you to schedule cleanings and monitor performance, adding a layer of convenience for busy households. While its advanced features are impressive, some users have pointed out that it might struggle slightly on thicker carpets. Nonetheless, its pet-specific design makes it a worthy contender for many families. DREAME D20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The DREAME D20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop stands out for its exceptional suction power and smart mapping technology. Ideal for homes with multiple types of flooring, this device adjusts its cleaning mode based on the surface it encounters. With a long battery life, it can cover large areas without needing a recharge, making it perfect for those with significant cleaning needs. Users love its quiet operation, allowing for cleaning at any time without disturbing the household. However, some might find the initial setup a bit complex. Overall, the DREAME D20 Plus is a robust option for tech-savvy users who value performance. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This versatile robot vacuum and mop combo is designed for those who appreciate both efficiency and value. It features a powerful suction system and a multi-surface cleaning capability, effectively handling everything from hardwood to carpet. The combo offers smart connectivity, enabling remote control via a mobile app, which is perfect for managing cleaning schedules. Its compact design allows it to reach under furniture effortlessly, making it a practical choice for busy pet households. While it comes with numerous features, some users have mentioned that it may require regular maintenance to keep it performing at its best. Overall, this combo is a fantastic balance of functionality and ease of use. ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner, Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is our top pick for its impressive blend of features tailored for pet owners. With its advanced navigation system and strong suction capabilities, it easily captures pet hair, dirt, and debris from various surfaces. It also includes a smart mopping feature that leaves your floors spotless, making it a true all-in-one device. Users rave about its ability to schedule cleaning sessions and its robust battery life, capable of tackling large areas on a single charge. While it is slightly more expensive than some competitors, the quality and performance make it worth the investment for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top robot vacuum and mop combos for pet hair. Each option brings unique strengths to the table, making your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to check the links in the description for the best deals on these products. Happy cleaning!